how to use voice typing in Google Slides. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each tutorial and app. And let's get started. Voice typing in Google Slides is used in writing the notes here beneath the slides. These are the reader notes for the slides. So if you want to use voice typing in it, all you gotta do is go to the tools from the up there, click on it, and then click on voice type speaker notes. You can also click on Command Shift plus S or Control Shift S like this, and now as you can see, the voice typing started. It's writing all I'm saying right now. It's not very precise, but it's good if you speak clearly. If you want to stop it, just go and click on here or click Ctrl Shift S again. You can change the language from here. Here are the languages supported by it. And if you want to start again, click here. Hello world. As you can see here, it's writing what I'm saying, and click here if you want to stop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.